It is snowing. It's so pretty. I don't know how I'm gonna walk home tonight, but it's so pretty. I just finished my final. My hands are like shaky because I was writing like a short response essay and it was so much. Like I thought it was gonna take only an hour, but I ended up taking like an hour and a half because I took like an hour just to think about the answer. So it took me quite some time, and it's raining, and I don't know where Tyson is. Oh no! As you can see, no one is on campus. I want to show you guys. It's starting to blossom, the cherry blossom on the quad. I can't believe it's my last winter quarter. One more final and then we're done. Good morning. So for lunch, I guess, because it's like 1:30 now, I have this salad that I love. So it's cucumber, tomatoes, cottage cheese, and some rotisserie chicken. And then I don't season it with anything except I put a little bit of garlic powder, and then I put chili oil, like crispy chilies. You gotta add that in there from the brand, like I think like from the famous brand. I'll put a picture right here. But you gotta make it, and it's so like refreshing. It's cold, it's like easy to make, and it's really filling with a lot of fiber, protein, everything. And then as a like side, I already took a little bite, but I have like this baked wheat bread from Costco. They have the Hokkaido flavor, and then the other one is the chocolate flavor. I like milk flavor for everything more. So yeah, I had this one. Tyson likes the chocolate one more. The chocolate one's pretty good too. I don't usually like any chocolate like flavored things, but that one was pretty good. But about to eat, and then I have to take my last online final, and then I'm done. Like, good that look. This is so cute. Vietnam souvenirs, but I feel like they spoiled. To you. Dang, feast time. Say hi.
Hello.
We are at TNT. It's Jess. Woo. We're at TNT. Are they like the cotton candy? This is
Wow.
cute. But this is cute too. I feel like it's enough for all of us.
Yes, I agree.
Wait, they have wipes too. Post finals, de-stress from all the exams.
I ordered 2 parfaits.
Did you get the right thing?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
모든 시간